Right, so having a new puppy can sometimes mess up the routine in the house. If the puppy pees on the floor, then it can disrupt everyone else who's trained. So this is an Enzyme carpet shampoo by Sprinkle and Sweep. It was sent to me. It is in professional strength and it's to deep clean, stain, and remove odor. This is in the scent of bamboo forest aroma. It has 32 fluid ounces in it, and each gallon requires 4 ounces. So this can make 8 gallons of water. So this can last a while. How we're going to do this is basically it says to shake it well, vacuum the area thoroughly, and then dilute the 4-ounce enzyme in the carpet cleaner for 1 gallon of warm water, or add directly to your machine solution tank if your machine does not require pre-mixing. You always want to test the area first, of course, to make sure that the color won't be affected, and then you just clean the area the way you usually use it. I went ahead and diluted 4 ounces in a gallon of water, and I actually applied it to some of the areas and some of the stains just so that it will go ahead and settle in there and let it do its thing while I prep the machine. I would say while using it, there's not a scent that I noticed, but I definitely felt like the room smelled a lot fresher after I got this cleaning done. So here's my husband refilling it up for me. Definitely didn't have to use a lot, and a little goes a long way. So not quite done yet, but I would say it is definitely doing the job. All right, so I would say it definitely did the job. My floors look a lot cleaner, and it smells a lot better in here. All right, so I really like how concentrated this product is. I didn't have to use a lot to go ahead and get my carpets cleaned, and it did not leave any residue. I would say that it is actually really good, not only at cleaning my carpet, but also getting rid of any stench that was left over. And the puppy hasn't had any accidents since. So if you have puppies or dogs in your house and you need a good enzyme carpet shampoo, you should definitely check this one out.